So I'm going to just take a quick minute to show you how the new LinkedIn scheduler works. I have clicked on create a post. This is my screen. If you do have the schedule feature, you will see a little clock on the bottom right of your screen. So I am going to just paste in some content that I have created. I, create my content in advance. And then I am going to go down to the scheduler and click on that. So you can see here's today's date, 9:30 a.m. There is a certain amount of time that you have to post ahead of time. So I am going to click on here and click to December. You can see that here, this is today, and I do have a post already scheduled to go out today. So I'm going to schedule this one for the 6th. Here's the date, and I can go in and choose the time. So let's just go for 8:30 a.m. Then click next. And then you go down here and click schedule. And that's all there is to it.